99% of new YouTubers are using ChatGPT the wrong way, and I get it, I understand, because I actually was one of them, and I ended up sabotaging one of my channels using ChatGPT the incorrect way. If this sounds like you, or you're just kind of afraid to take the AI ChatGPT plunge, I'm about to share with you my biggest secret for using ChatGPT to make engaging videos that don't feel fake. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to tell you the most important thing that I found that most people don't do when it comes to using ChatGPT, especially if you're using the free version. So you don't want to miss that final tip. But the first mistake that you're making with ChatGPT prompts is you're asking for generic viral scripts. I know you're still out there looking for that magic bullet to go viral, and you feel like ChatGPT is going to be it. I felt the same way until I used those same scripts and I sounded robotic, and the viewers notice and they do not like it. Then what I found is that the best YouTubers don't even use a script. They just use an outline, and that way when they use the outline, they're able to put their personality and their flair on the content. The content comes across authentic, it's in their own tone, it's in their own style. So don't ask ChatGPT to give you a generic script to go viral. Instead, you want to write me an outline for a YouTube video in my niche that has a unique storytelling angle.
Nice one.
That's much better. Mistake number 2 is asking ChatGPT, how can I make money with no effort on YouTube? If that didn't go without saying, we already know that it takes effort to make money on YouTube. ChatGPT is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and I know you feel like you are just one hack away from breaking the YouTube algorithm and going viral, which you are probably one video away. But unless you want to be highly frustrated with ChatGPT's chatbot just pushing out generic, vague content ideas that have nothing to do with your niche, or pushing out ideas that you already know and that you've heard a million times, you don't want to use the prompt, tell me how to make money effortlessly on YouTube. Instead, try, how can I build a long-term audience on YouTube in my niche?
Nice one.
That's much better. And if you're starting to see a pattern here, you don't want to be vague with ChatGPT. Being very vague, you're going to get very vague, useless answers. Being very as direct and as detailed as you can is going to give you the answers that actually work for your content. Mistake number 3, and this is actually the secret to getting the titles that go viral and that get clicks on YouTube. Do not ask ChatGPT to create viral clickbait titles for you. And you know what I'm talking about, those titles that this is going to change your life, this video will change your life. You click on that video, it does get the click. The video is very underwhelming, and within seconds, you click out of the video. What I found, if you don't already know this, is that YouTube does not reward clicks. It rewards viewer retention. So the last thing that you want is people clicking into your video and clicking right out. That's a surefire way to leave your video dead in the water. Again, the bad prompt, write me a YouTube title that guarantees clicks. Instead, what are some engaging title formulas that fit my content style? I know you're looking for that magic bullet to YouTube success, the step-by-step guide that is going to tell you do this, do that, and you'll be successful on YouTube. I have been there. I have felt frustrated with ChatGPT. It's not exactly what people make claims for it to be. But what I have found is that ChatGPT can be an amazing tool to enhance your creativity, but not to replace it. And as promised, I told you if you stuck around, I was going to give you that one little tip that so many people forget to do, and that is simply logging in. Log in using your Gmail account. The chatbot remembers every prompt that you enter, everything that you enter about your brand, your business, the style, the colors, their brand colors, your brand feeling, the tone. So that way, when you put prompts into ChatGPT, the answers just won't be spitting out of nowhere. It will be gathering the information from information that you have already put into the chatbot. But that's only going to happen if you log in. Okay, so if you're still struggling with YouTube growth, don't worry. I got you. Comment down below with some of the worst ChatGPT advice that you have heard, and I will reply with an alternative answer. And if you want a full guide on YouTube strategy, check out this video right here. And as always, if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me about it in the comments. Bye.